Hi guys, welcome back to another timeless reading. There's something that you need to know today. Messages, guidance. Messages, guidance. This kept on coming up in my mind. I do not know why. So I'm just gonna give the message through. Um, if there are any struggles in your waking life, know it's important to resist, but in this way that sometimes the people around us do not understand where we are going to. Okay? So take care of a very important cycle that was left. Put your needs first before others. Understanding that do not resist the universe. Go with the flow. The universe are there to help you. Thank you, guys.